With so many businesses transitioning to a hybrid workforce and an increasing percentage of remote employees, we've seen a huge shift in the way people live and work over the past few years. From headsets and webcams to mice and keyboards, Logitech has long supported remote workers with user-centric, high-quality desktop peripherals. With our latest innovation in personal collaboration, we're focused on empowering distributed teams to collaborate without compromise. Logi Dock is our new all-in-one docking station that simplifies your workspace and dramatically improves the work-from-home experience. With a single connection point for all of your desktop peripherals, effortless meeting controls, powerful speakers for calls and music, and compatibility with leading video conferencing services, we designed Logi Dock to make your workspace work smarter.
From excess wires to dongles and chargers, cluttered desktop can be a real pain point for remote workers. We created Logi Dock to help solve this problem. Logi Dock connects your Zone Wireless headset and earbuds and up to 5 USB peripherals. You can even connect up to 2 monitors and charge your laptop up to 100 watts. With fewer cords and dongles and less visual clutter, Logi Dock makes room for cleaner workspace and better workdays.
As video meetings become part of our daily work routine, we find ourselves spending more and more time looking for meeting IDs and links. Logi Dock fully integrates with your calendar with Logi Tune and uses intelligent lighting cues so you know when a meeting is starting. Easy-to-reach buttons mean you can join, mute, and turn video on and off, all with just one touch. And since Logi Dock seamlessly integrates with the video conferencing services you already use, it makes joining meetings super easy.
For people who want to go headset-free, Logi Dock features an enterprise-grade speakerphone with adaptive beamforming mics and background noise suppression so you can hear and be heard loud and clear. And for when you want to listen to music between your calls, Logi Dock speakers give you powerful, immersive sound you can feel.
Logi Dock is remarkably simple to use, manage, and scale for individuals and teams, because we believe that when it's easier to join a meeting, organize your workspace, or work remotely, it's easier to have a happier, healthier, and more productive way of living and working together.